How to see your air recap in ChatGPT. So yeah, guys, let's start the video. So first of all, guys, if you want to see your air recap 2025 in ChatGPT, so all you need to do, open the ChatGPT in your mobile phone and make sure you have updated version of ChatGPT. If it is not updated, so first go the Play Store and App Store, update the ChatGPT, and after that you can see the air recap in your ChatGPT. Once open this and tap on this plus icon of the left side of the screen, and you will scroll a little bit down. You will find the your air with ChatGPT. So it will give you the summary of your air with ChatGPT, all overall things and all your data of ChatGPT which you use in air 2025 with ChatGPT. So it will show you all recap. So tap on it and it will come on the your main page, and you will write all things and use see the recap of your air in ChatGPT. So yeah, guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos, guys. Thanks for watching.